Strategies for marketing agricultural products in rural communities. Title: Strategies for marketing agricultural products in rural communities. Introduction. Marketing agricultural products in rural communities requires a unique approach due to the distinct characteristics of these areas. Rural communities often have specific needs, limited access to resources, and a strong connection to local traditions. This article aims to explore strategies that can effectively market agricultural products in these rural communities. 1. Understand the local community. To successfully market agricultural products in rural communities, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of the local community's needs, preferences, and values. Conduct market research to identify key factors such as demographics, cultural and social aspects, purchasing power, and specific demands. This information will help tailor marketing strategies to align with the community's interests. 2. Develop personal relationships. In rural communities, personal relationships play a significant role in business interactions. Building trust and connections with local farmers, community leaders, and relevant organizations is essential. Attending community events, participating in local agricultural fairs, and engaging with farmers' associations can foster relationships and establish credibility. These personal relationships can also lead to valuable word-of-mouth marketing. 3. Highlight local authenticity. Rural communities often have a strong attachment to their local traditions, culture, and heritage. Marketing agricultural products should emphasize the authenticity of locally grown or produced items. Design labels and packaging that reflect the local culture, promote local stories, and use language that resonates with the community. Communicate the heritage, sustainability, and traditional farming practices involved in producing these agricultural products. 4. Utilize digital marketing. While rural communities may have limited access to certain technologies, the internet has become increasingly available even in remote areas. Implementing digital marketing strategies can effectively reach rural consumers. Create a user-friendly website or e-commerce platform to showcase products, provide information about farming practices, and accept online orders. Utilize social media channels to engage with the community, share stories, and highlight product benefits. 5. Collaborate with local retailers. In many rural communities, local grocery stores, farmers' markets, and cooperatives play a vital role in the local economy. Collaborating with these retailers can give agricultural products wider visibility. Offer exclusive deals, provide promotional materials, and organize tasting events to attract consumers. By partnering with local retailers, producers can tap into their established customer base and benefit from their knowledge of the community. 6. Promote product education. Educating consumers about the nutritional value, farming practices, and environmental benefits of agricultural products can increase their desirability in rural communities. Organize workshops, cooking demonstrations, or farm tours to raise awareness and educate the community about the product's positive impact. Encourage feedback, engage in conversation, and incorporate suggestions for continuous improvement and innovation. 7. Provide convenient access. Accessibility is a crucial factor in rural communities where residents may have limited transportation options. Establish strategic distribution points such as local delivery services, farmers' markets, or designated pickup locations. By providing convenient access to agricultural products, businesses can ensure that they reach the target audience effectively. 8. Tap into agritourism. Rural communities often have natural landscapes, farm-based attractions, and a desire for unique experiences. Capitalize on this by integrating agritourism into marketing strategies. Organize Farm to ORS, seasonal festivals, or on-site dining experiences to attract tourists and locals alike. Agritourism serves as an additional revenue stream while promoting direct engagement with agricultural products. 9. Support local initiatives. Actively participating in and supporting local community initiatives can enhance the reputation of agricultural producers. Sponsor local events, contribute to community projects, or donate products to local charities. This active involvement strengthens ties with the community and builds a positive brand image. 10. Adapt to seasonal demand. In rural communities, agricultural product demand can vary based on seasonal cycles and local traditions. To effectively market products, it is crucial to understand these patterns and adapt marketing strategies accordingly. Offer seasonal promotions, create limited edition products tied to local festivals or events, and tailor messaging to align with the community's seasonal preferences. 11. Foster community engagement. Engaging the rural community in marketing efforts can create a sense of ownership and loyalty. Encourage customer feedback, host contests or giveaways that involve the community, and actively respond to inquiries or concerns. By involving the community, agricultural producers can foster a sense of belonging and create brand ambassadors who will champion their products within the community. 12. Offer value-added products. To differentiate agricultural products in rural communities, consider offering value-added products that cater to specific consumer needs. This may include packaging products in ready-to-cook kits, creating unique flavor combinations, or developing organic or specialty lines. By providing value-added options, agricultural producers can target niche markets and attract consumers looking for hing unique or convenient. 13. Establish partnerships with local institutions. Forge partnerships with local educational institutions, such as schools or universities, to promote agricultural products and educate younger generations. Collaborate on educational programs, support agricultural scholarships, or facilitate farm visits for students. By engaging with educational institutions, agricultural producers can inspire the next generation of consumers and cultivate ainable market for their products. 14. Emphasize sustainability practices. In rural communities, environmental consciousness and sustainable farming practices are often highly valued. Highlighting sustainable farming methods, such as organic or regenerative agriculture, can resonate with rural consumers. Use eco-friendly packaging, showcase carbon footprint reduction initiatives, or communicate efforts to preserve natural resources. By emphasizing sustainability, agricultural producers can attract consumers who prioritize environmentally responsible choices. 15. Continuously adapt and innovate. The rural consumer market is not static, and agricultural producers must continuously adapt and innovate to stay relevant. Monitor market trends, explore new distribution channels, and stay informed about evolving consumer preferences. By embracing change and being open to innovation, agricultural producers can stay ahead of competitors and maintain a strong presence in rural communities.